Welcome back, my little DIY friends. If you're new to the channel, well, nice to meet you. If you're a returning visitor, thank you very much indeed. Please consider subscribing. Right, okay, so I want to put a mirror up on the wall. It's a big heavy one. The first thing I do is present the mirror to the wall, and then I mark out where I want it to go. These are the sort of tools that conventionally you would use. Make sure if you're going to use a drill, it's got hammer action. The bits on the right hand side I didn't use, but I did use this stuff here, and I used that as well. And that's roughly what you're going to need. Now when you look closely, can you see that little thing there? Okay, so that's designed to basically have a screw hanging out of the wall about 8 or 9 mil so that it can hang up there. So now I know where the top of the mirror is. I mark down and I draw a line which is completely level using a spirit level. And once I've got that, I then measure to check that it's in the right place. So that's the top of the mirror, and that's where I want the center of the hole. Now I mark from the outside to the inside. That little post-it on the wall is representative of the edge of the mirror. Leave a mark there. And now I select my raw plug, and of course that is designed to go and fit nicely with the screw. And there is the masonry bit that I'm going to use. I set my drill to hammer action, insert the drill, get the vacuum cleaner out, and start drilling the hole. Now once that's done, which was nice and easy, I then put my raw plug in and then take that little panel pin hammer that you saw and just tap it nice and smooth. Now I'm really happy with that because you can see the center of that hole is level. Now I measure between centers, and I then transfer that measurement up onto the wall along that line that you can't really see, which is level, and that tells me where the second hole needs to be. Well, I'm not quite sure what this wall was made out of, but it was like as hard as diamonds, and I struggled to get in there. Anyway, eventually I did. I didn't get as deep as I wanted to go, but it was deep enough. I ended up making a slightly big hole, so I just took a bigger raw plug, cut the end off it, and banged it in with a slightly larger hammer. That's a claw hammer. With that done, I'm now in a position to put my little screws in and hang. So even though this looks a little bit more scary than traditional hanging of, say, just putting on little D-clips and putting string between it, this is uninterrupted. So as this goes up, I've taken the sound off, but you'll see it almost click into position there, little click, and it's good and it's done, and that's it. And I just check to see that it's level, and it is, and then I prove it to you. There's the bubble in the middle. Job's a good one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Consider subscribing.